In this video, we're going to break down the concept of service offerings, including what they are, what's included in them, and how they show up out in the real world. Let's first define a service offering. A service offering is a very clear and defined package of services provided to a consumer. It's how a service provider presents their service to the customer in a structured way that delivers value. Every service offering could include up to 3 unique components, but only one is required. So a service may have 1, 2, or 3 of these components. First is goods, and these are the physical items provided to the consumer, such as laptops, phones, or other hardware. Sometimes the consumer in this instance will own the item, and in other cases, the provider will manage or maintain the equipment. Then we have access to resources, and this refers to allowing the consumer to use different resources that are owned and maintained by the service provider, such as an online cloud platform, a database, or some sort of internal business software. From there, we have service actions, and these are the activities that are performed by the service provider to support the consumer's use of the service. This could include everything from ongoing technical support to routine maintenance to software updates to user onboarding and training. One thing that you want to be aware of, again, is that service offerings don't necessarily need to have all 3 components. They can be a combination of all of the 3, or just 1, 2, or 3 of the components involved. Let's look at a few different examples of service offerings so you can understand how these different service examples work in the real world. Let's go over the first example, which is Google Workspace. First, there's no physical goods involved here, so we're going to skip over this part of the service offering. For Google Drive, access to resources is very important, such as email, storage, calendars, and various collaboration tools. From there, we would also have service actions, which is what the service provider will be doing, such as different software updates, data backups, and potentially different support channels. Our second example is an internal company's internal IT support. Let's look at this service offering from all 3 aspects. Well, first we have goods, and we would have some things here, such as laptops or desktops, along with different webcams, microphones, keyboards, and any other end-user IT peripheral equipment. We would also need access to resources like Windows, a corporate VPN, licensed software, and any internal necessary programs. From there, the service team would set up different devices, reset various passwords, and help resolve any sort of tickets as well as IT incidents. Focus on understanding how services are structured to give you a clear view of how value is actually delivered to the end consumer and what you're going to need to do as the service provider.